In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shortcuts in the Uber app, which means you can quickly go to any destination you want. First things first, I'm on the app right now. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the bottom right-hand corner and click Account. Then you're going to go down and click Settings. Now, once you do, in the middle, you're going to see right almost at the top, actually, Shortcuts under Home, Work, and then Shortcuts. These are added locations in addition to just your home or your work. Then it's going to look like this, Save Places. I have my homework, and then I can add a saved place. So once you do this, let's say I'm going to go and search one. I'm going to click Address. Like say I'm going to type in Grain Whiskey Bar, phenomenal cocktail bar here in Los Angeles. I can name it anything custom I want, so I just put Grain to make it easy. Now once I do, as you can see on my saved places, I have home and work like I did before, but now Grain under other saved places. I can add a bunch of saved places, as many as I want. So now, let's say I go back to the app, I go to type in an address. When I do, you can see this is how it typically looks. I have where to, and under home and work, if I scroll to the left, there's a star, as you can see, and I can click saved places. And once I do, I can pick any place I want, in this case, Grain, and then I'm good to go. And what's good about this is if let's say you have to go to a lot of different places at once, let's say there's a lot of different places that you visit regularly, you can easily use this feature. For example, let's say you're a construction manager and you have to visit 5 sites every single day. Rather than type in the address of every site every time, which could get annoying, like say if you're Ubering all over the place, you just do site 1, site 2, site 3, go on and on. One thing I do want to say about this is it doesn't make this any cheaper. It's not like the ride's gonna be any cheaper or any different. It's more of a feature to make it easier for you that you don't have to type in the address every time.